Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an AI game with the NFT revenue sharing. I will share all the detail in this video, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be updated for the more news about any videos. So you can see here is Artifact. I will share the details. You can get play and earn if you want to enjoy that game. You can also get earning from here. It is an AI gaming NFT assets. I will share the NFT marketplace. You can be able to free to play. This is the first AI game with the NFT revenue sharing. So the leaderboard is given, their game is given. You can see the game, leaderboard, market, inventory, all that wallet here. But before that, I want to share with you the website. Here is the option for the download game, or you can watch the trailer here. You can watch that trailer. After clicking on it, they have the features of skills, vehicles. So you can see they have the skill features. Skill point are randomly placed on the maps. As these points the player can get randomly skill and activate for a while, so you can get that points from here. Furthermore, you can see the other details about that is the jetpacks. You can get the jetpack from which you can use it, or you can use at unique movement. There are many variation of jetpack with the different styles and design in the artifacts you can see here. So furthermore, they have also the vehicles which combat vehicles such as cars, drivable robots, drones, and other. Each vehicle has unique, like you can go and check it in here. They have different points which is given here, different things. You can enjoy it in a different way. So you can buy NFT like its name uncommon. You can buy this where it is the given, this is the gun NFT. You can even go for the epic here, and the furthermore you can see all the others are given. You can see it is going on. You can buy these NFTs from here, and you can use that NFTs in the marketplace. So here is the option for join the marketplace is given. I will share that these NFTs will be used in the game, and you can see it here. So I will just click on join the NFT marketplace, and here I will get that. You can see it is scrolling. After that, you can see it is the marketplace where you get the NFTs. For that, you have to log in here. For the login, you have to click on it, login option, and you can get an option for that. It is a login. If you not have account, you have to go and sign up for that account and go login on it and make your market here. So I will just go back from here and share with you about that, which is the details about that. Their contract address is given, their market which is given here. You can see the market, you can even see their leaderboards and also the game from here. So I will just go back and share with you the other details of the website Artifact, and you can get dollar artifact from here too, which you can use it in the game while playing or sharing. Like you can see, they have the player price pool which is 50%, marketing 25%, operating expenses 15%, and dollar RT burning will be 10%. You can see dollar RT token where the currency is DAO, rewards, launch pads, NFTs, and staking. You can see they have the total which is given here 25,000k dollar RT, which is a native deflationary cryptocurrency and governance token of the Artifact ecosystem. The interpreted play and earn solution maintained. You can see they have the dollar RT matrix is given where you can see its price at that time is 0.32, market is 8 million. They have the circulating supply which is 23 million, maximum supply which is 25 million, about which 23 is circulating trade. Dollar RT on Bybit, Qcoin, HTX, and other. You can see Coinbase, etc., Gate.io. You can even go and check it out on the PancakeSwap and many more. Their latest news are given here. You can see their news from here, and you can get to know more about it, their partners and investors. You can see the roadmap in the new stage which is completed. Their next stage of which is the beta is almost half done, where they have completed the beta epic game store creator contest. Now they will go for the play to earn tournaments season 1, win and earn battles, NFT loot boxes. So go in it. This video is for educational purpose, but you can go and check it all that from here, and you can get on it. So furthermore, you can join their community. How you can join their community? You can see such a brilliant NFTs is given. You can join their community from here. You can download that game, but before that you have to give your age because they have the age suitability here. So furthermore, you can join them on the Twitter, so you can be a part of their community. You can see their videos which are going on Artifact. A big update is on October 31st, so it is coming soon. You can see all technologies, cheat detection, and all that is given here. Their videos. Only 10% of Web3 projects survive after 3 years. Artifact is one of them. They are just getting started. So you can see I share all the details. You can join their social media like their Telegram, Twitter, so that you can be able to get to know about them more. I share all the details. So if you like the video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.